Hello everyone!
Do you know that copper was once a symbol of eternal life?
Copper actually originated from the Latin word which is cuprum. In ancient mythology, copper was associated with protection of goddess Venus and Aphrodite.
The question is, what exactly is copper and what is so great about it?
Well, let's go back to ancient time together.
It all dates back to about 10,000 years ago, or to be more exact, the Copper Age, where the civilization of uses of metals as tools and weapons. Copper is believed to have originated from Cyprus, where Romans used to mine it from their rich copper mines.
Copper, the oldest metal, has been utilized in daily life since ancient times for coins, jewelry, tools, writing, and medical purposes.
Copper's significant role in modern civilization extends beyond tools and jewelry. Copper has shown great characteristics for the development of industrial, especially in electrical industry.
The invention of the Leyden jar in 1745 marked a significant milestone in early electrical research. This leading to the discovery of copper as the most successful transmitter, but copper is not as good as silver.
Since the 1820s, copper has been used in electrical wiring. But what exactly makes copper the popular choice in applications and technologies?
Copper is a great conductor of electricity. The electrons are arranged in a way that allows for free movement, so electricity can pass through the wires easily and efficiently. Copper is highly ductile. In other words, you can bend and twist copper wire with minimal risk of damage. Using a material that you can naturally bend and weave through tight spaces is crucial. Without losing power or strength from shape deformity, copper wire makes for a highly efficient transmitter of energy.
Copper is thermal resistant. Copper is resistant to heat and safer to use than other conductive metals. Copper's high thermal resistance not only prevents overheating, but it increases the lifespan of the wiring.
Copper is resistant to corrosion. Due to the naturally occurring protective film that forms on copper, it's a metal that is immune to corrosion. Copper is perfect for a variety of environments, including rural, industrial, and marine atmospheres, due to its strong corrosion-resistant capabilities.
Copper is inexpensive. It is affordable because there are abundant quantities of copper available under the Earth's surface.
Now that you've seen the characteristics of the copper, it is no longer surprised that copper is one of the most important industrial metal due to its excellent conductivity, durability, and antimicrobial properties.
That's right. Copper plays a huge role in infrastructure from power generation and transmission to telecommunications. With over 60% of all copper is used in electrical wiring due to its high conductivity.
Beyond basic wiring, copper is also key to transportation. Its strength and corrosion resistance make copper an ideal material for rail lines, with urban mass transit networks relying heavily on overhead copper electrical lines to power trains.
We find copper in many industrial machinery components as well. As both electrical conductors and structural reinforcements, copper features prominently in heavy equipment, factory lines, construction vehicles, and more.
The manufacturing sector depends on copper for heat exchangers, boiler tubes, furnace coils, and process piping where high heat transfer is required. Copper alloys are also favored for industrial valves, flanges, and fittings handling corrosive chemicals.
With its antimicrobial properties, copper is being studied further for applications in sterile manufacturing environments like hospitals, pharmaceutical plants, and clean rooms.
Copper is also vital for agricultural production. Many fungicides and bactericides contain copper compounds that are sprayed on crops to prevent mold, mildew, and other fungal or bacterial diseases.
Copper acts as a natural antimicrobial when mixed into livestock feeding systems. This improves animal health and growth rates. Looking ahead, scientists are exploring how copper nanoparticles may enhance crop yields and protect plants from future climate changes.
While alternatives like aluminum and fiber optics are gaining ground, copper will undoubtedly remain one of humanity's most utilized industrial materials for the foreseeable future.
Researchers continue developing new copper alloys and nanostructures with even better properties. If we effectively reuse copper through recycling, our supply of this versatile metal can be sustained to power green technologies, global food security, and a high quality of life for all.
In summary, whether as a structural material, electrical conductor, or for its thermal and antimicrobial qualities, copper underpins modern industrial systems from energy and transportation to manufacturing. It will remain a workhorse metal supporting further industrialization and technological progress worldwide.
Well, that wraps up our discussion on the copper's many vital roles, from wiring to plumbing to fungicides. It's certainly amazing what one metal can do. Once again, thanks for learning with us and watching the video.